Welcome to Star Professional College. This is Dialogue Book 1.
Dialogue 6. How are you?
I am very well, and what about you?
So am I. How is your father?
He is very fine.
How is your mother?
She is very fine as well.
How are your brothers?
They are fine.
How is the situation of the country?
The situation of the country is normal. There is candidate of election and national parts, also no effect about the peace. My country is peace everywhere.
How is the situation of the world?
The situation of the world is some kind of bad. There are wars in many parts of world, especially Muslim countries, and many of people are dying of diseases and hunger. Hi students. You have to memorize this vocabulary. This dialogue is prepared and translated by Star Professional College.